get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight.
Leaving Cadiz. I nearly said Acarunia for some reason. The big bridge. We've got two massive cruise ships. Well, three massive cruise ships. That one's the Surly cruise ship.
What? Whoa! Look at that.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Have you seen the Surly cruise ship?
Yeah, that's class, isn't it?
No offense to them people who love
We're supposed to stay at Cadiz for a bit longer, but we've off your pop, haven't we?
Yeah, we just can't stay still, can we?
No.
She's like,
So yeah, so we're moving on. We're going to Barbate,
Barbate, yeah.
and then we're going to Gibraltar. So it's just a one-night stay at Barbate, and then in a marina, if we can fit in. If not, we're at anchor. But then we're going to north sort of Gibraltar, which is the Spanish side, in a marina, and we're going to be there. Definitely going to be there for a few days. We've got to just stop moving.
and it's gonna be my birthday.
Oh yeah. Whose birthday is it today?
Mine. And I'm turning 6.
Right, let's head to Barbate then.
Bye. Bye, people. Bye.
And it's not a really early start. We were like left out. What time is it? 9 o'clock. Normally we were 3 o'clock in the morning or a 6 o'clock in the morning start. Yeah, cool. 7-hour trip. See you on the other side.
Bye.
So every stop we do, we always journal our little happenings, like a little diary in a book that we got off Emma and Amber. So Rebecca's doing it while we're out at sea. Normally we'll do it when we land to the next port, if the port we've just been to. That's class, I can't believe she's doing it. She's like, I'm a captain on my chart table. Rebecca's never ever thought when we left Royal Keys she'd be doing this. She's smashed it, haven't you, Rebecca? Yeah, cool. Doing well, you journaling? Beth's got out of her mood and now we've got Happy Beth. So she's done some journaling. Good girl, Bethany. What have you been writing about?
What was it? Cadiz.
Cadiz, well done. So we fed the captain. So he'll be full for about 15 minutes. We fed these two little creatures.
Hello.
Yeah.
We're
Cool.
not finished it.
We're just talking about what we've been eating. So Rebecca had scrambled egg and beans and toast.
Yeah.
This one had tuna pasta. And let's look at the kitchen. The galley. We're just looking at how messy the galley is, Beth.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we haven't done any washing up.
No.
Still got a bit of.
So this is what happens when we're out to sea. Quickly make the food, scran it, and then we're gonna wash up. So she was. And we'll show them what it looks like when it's clean.
Yeah. So this is before.
Before. Clean. For another meal. Until another meal, sorry. Coming into Puerto de Barbate. Marina, Barbate, Spain. Last stop before Gibraltar. What's the noise?
So the alternate belt's slipping because the front crank oil seal is leaking oil onto the front pulley, and then that's getting onto the alternator belt and it's making the alternator not charge. So it keeps going beep, beep, but it stinks as well.
Where are we at, Rebecca?
Barbate.
Where?
Barbate.
Puerto de Barbate. Barbate.
In record time as well.
Wow, and it only took us 6 hours because Dad planned well and we had the tide pushing us along at 7 knots.
Definitely worth noting that though, that the tide does affect you, sort of from just north of Barbate to definitely Gibraltar. So it's definitely worth working the tides out. I'm hoping it'll do the same tomorrow when we go to Gibraltar. But it definitely affected us today. We were nearly doing 8 knots at one point. And that was, we were doing 5.5 through the water and we were doing 8 knots over the ground. So we're getting a lot of tide. Worth noting.
Cool. What are you doing?
I'm just cleaning it up and then I'm going to fire it up. see where it's leaking from.
I'm taping you.
Oh, so we're trying to fix the engine. Sorry, I didn't realise you were taping me. So, covered up to my eyeballs in grease and snot, basically. So the bottom pulley on the engine, I believe, is leaking oil from the oil seal behind it. But also there's a lot of oil coming out of the raw water pump. So it could be the gasket in the raw water pump that's leaking and making it look like it's a bottom pulley. So I've cleaned it all off. I'm going to fire it up and let it run and see where the oil comes from. That's my plan. Definitely the crank oil seal, 100%. So you can see it is definitely leaking from there. 100% leaking off that bolt just there. So it is definitely the bottom pulley, and we'll get that replaced in Gibraltar, hopefully. Start recceing somewhere to get it. Right. Get the part and I'll fit it.
Goodbye, Barbate. Quite abandoned.
It is, but the beach and that bit over there is nice.
Yeah, the beach over there is
We
quite
didn't get a chance to go, but I ran it, didn't we?
Yeah.
We didn't. We've only stayed for a lesson. Well, we stayed for about 18 hours.
Yeah.